All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm not talking about streamer mode because I've already done that, but today I'm going to talk about what is this lovely little link up here at the top that takes you to check out Discord's streaming kit. And what that actually is it takes you to this little mini website here, the Discord stream kit, and this is what it walks you through the process of setting up a community and various tools to help with your community on Discord. It has a recommended setup for making a community server to make sure all of your permissions are correct and all of your security is ready for when you invite various people who find you publicly on Twitch or YouTube or wherever to invite them to your server. It walks you through adding some bots to help you integrate between the two communities, including Nightbot and Patreon and stuff like that, and also some different things to help you represent and promote your community to the greater internet. So starting at the top here, the apps you know and love, which are available on Discord. They have apps for Patreon, they have apps for Nightbot, you have YouTube integration, so you can actually synchronize your membership options from YouTube to membership options on Discord, so people pay for stuff on your channel. You can then migrate that to being they can also get those benefits on your Discord server as well. And that's the same for Twitch integration. It'll synchronize your Twitch subscribers to their Discord roles and stuff like that. And they also have connections from OBS to Discord so that you can actually have your community link in, as a pop-up there that's interactable. You can see who's talking on Discord. All of that stuff is all available through here. They have an XSplit plugin as well, and then also they have a little walkthrough on how to use streamer mode, which is, as you saw the last video, what I already showed people how to do. Now, they did say they have something here to rep your community. Where is that? Let's check that out. Oh, they have a little press kit so that you can have all of their official branding available so you can put that in your thumbnails or artwork to properly link to your Discord server. Oh, that's the nice of them. Let's actually take a look what's in that. Let's open that to its own folder. Open that up. So they have brand guidelines, which is explaining how you should represent Discord officially. Then they have their logo, both in various forms that you can use, including their new font, which is nice. Where did that go? So you've got the different logos, and then what else they got? Smaller versions of the same logos, and then the Clyde icon. Okay, so you can get Clyde's Blurple. Okay, that's nice. So there you go. You get a little brand kit as well to go with the Discord stream kit. So if you want this, I'll put the link to this in the video description below. It's actually relatively nice to have some of this information, especially if you're new to Discord and you're not sure what to do. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.